YouTube? It is your girl Brianna, and I'm back with another video. You can call this like a challenge slash prank video, but so I'm going to actually be handcuffing Keith, and I'm gonna be making sure that he gets handcuffed pretty good, and he's going to be attached to me for 24 hours. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I'm excited, but I'm not in a way, like, because I'm kind of scared. But he's actually in the living room right now, and I think you can kind of see him through the window, but he doesn't know what I'm doing. I just told him that I was just like vlogging for like later. But so he's in the living room right now watching TV, and I'm going to go inside, set the camera up. I'm not sure where at yet. I'm gonna like make him go into the kitchen and get me like something to drink or something. And so, but I'm gonna go in the bathroom, set the handcuffs up, because if I walk in being weird, then he's gonna know that something's up. But let's see how this goes, and I'm excited, and I will see you guys in a little bit whenever I set the camera up and he's attached to me. Okay guys, so I'm actually in the bathroom right now, and he wouldn't give me a drink. He's being so lazy at the moment, but I have the handcuffs and his arm is literally hanging off the chair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna snatch it, and he's gonna be, this is gonna be great. So I'm excited. Ready, set, here we go. Oh my god.
Is this not the greatest?
What are you watching?
Why?
Because you're gonna be handcuffed to me.
Hell nah. This
Yeah.
ain't freaking 2X family.
You're gonna be handcuffed to me.
Alright. You sure you want this?
Yeah.
Okay. Handcuff your shit. Handcuff yourself. Give me it. Give me it.
I will handcuff myself.
Handcuff yourself.
How are we gonna get in the car?
Dude, this is
We
not
need to
gonna
go
work.
eat food. I didn't think
Let's
this through.
come on, this is not smart.
No, we're
You're
doing
not-
this. We're for real doing this, and I don't give a crap. We're doing it. We're doing it. Come on, get up. We're going to get food. Come on.
Ow! Stop, it hurts.
Come on.
Okay.
We're going to get food, so.
Alright, let's go. I can't, it hurts. It
I
hurts.
don't care. You're
No,
crying,
I need to be
baby.
loosened.
No.
It's gonna break my bone.
No, it isn't.
Ah! No, it's really gonna break my bone. It's really gonna break my bone. No, I'm being for real.
No, it isn't.
No, I need it loosened. Where's the
No.
key?
I don't know. I lost it. Come on, get up.
Okay, I'll put it back on.
You're a cheater.
It's loosened. I just need it loosened. All right, let's go. Go get my shoes. I
Come
can't
on,
even-
we gotta go
I
together.
can't even tell you to go get my shoes and socks. Huh? Cinnamon, you want this? I'm about to make your life hell. I'm about to make your life hell.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Got to let the dogs bark. Dude, no, hold on. Is anybody outside?
No.
Is there anybody outside, dude?
Only church. Nobody else.
Only
is on.
church? Oh, dude, we gotta shut the back door and stuff. And let Manny in.
in.
Oh my god, I did not think this through. How are we gonna get in the car?
We're gonna get in it.
You're crawling through, so you gotta know I'll hand this to me now. Stop, hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Open, get in through. Get in through. Get in through. Now, go. Go. This is so embarrassing.
Ow!
Hurry. Oh my god.
Ow, my butt!
Okay, we're in. It's actually hotter
Is this
than...
safe or what?
I don't know. Hold on. Y'all, that was so embarrassing.
We're already
Listen,
getting
when we
this.
go to... Alright, where are we going to get food?
Where are we going?
Look, let's show them how we're driving. Just one hand in it.
Yeah, I can drive.
It's actually harder than freaking Satan's ass crack in here. Dude. Alright, we'll pick you guys up when we get to the drive-thru. Dude, you cannot be yanking like that.
Sorry.
Alright, y'all. I gotta end this on my nose. Alright, y'all. We decided on Burger King. What you gonna get? I've never had this. I've had this probably like twice in my life.
Yeah, I really don't care.
What can I get for you?
Just one moment, please.
Ow.
Sorry, go with me a little bit.
Okay, what are you getting? Oh, that spicy chicken is calling my name.
Where?
Spicy crispy chickens, meal, with the fries. Dude.
It's $8.
I don't care. Alright, I think I'm gonna get the,
Oh, I know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get some chicken fries.
okay, I want the spicy chicken mayo, but I want the spicy chicken mayo.
Stop talking like that.
Okay, I want the spicy chicken mayo, but I don't want no tomato on it or mayonnaise.
Boring.
Alright, y'all.
I need my barbecue sauce.
You're not looking too hot. You feeling this? Oh, look at that.
Look at these. I'm not sure if I'm too satisfied. Babe, he's just gonna keep begging. Quit doing that. So, I'm just sitting here and he tells me.
I gotta take a fucking poop, y'all. I got it. Look, I gotta take a poop, and guess what? Guess what? She got to come with me because she wants to see this damn handcuff thing. Oh, let's do handcuffs.
I knew I was gonna regret it.
Let's do handcuffs. Let's do handcuffs, but we can't even. Now I gotta go take a poop with her. So come on.
No.
No, my stomach, y'all.
No.
Oh, Manny, bro. Just for the move, dude.
No.
Come on, bro. Hold the camera. Oh, yo, you gotta get up, dude.
No, you actually do not have to go.
Dude, what?
I have to stand on the other side of you.
Dude, look how long it is. Dude, don't show them. My stomach actually hurts.
Ow. Oh my god.
Bro, where did those
Did I just
come
break
from?
that?
I don't know, just Dude, the dog's in here. Get him out. Manny, go. Oh my god, this is all going wrong.
Babe, look at me. I actually hate you.
I cut it. This is weird. Cut it.
Bro, we've been in here for the longest time.
I gotta shit. I'm getting it. Stop, I'm playing my game. Playing my game. Put it away. This shit hurts. I'm done with this challenge. I don't want to do it no more. You know what? I'm calling quits. Look at me.
Oh! He's gonna get smashed for this. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. That was obvious our challenge, and he quit, not me.
It hurt too
quit.
bad, dude. I was just sitting here
quit.
yelling at her. I'm like, stop yanking my toy.
He quit.
Whatever, y'all. But if
He
y'all
can't
enjoyed
take
these-
challenges like this.
If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure
you
y'all drop a
like, you comment, and you subscribe
subscribe
to our channel.
We're going every day!